أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. The height of the Eiffel Tower is 163 feet. The height of the Eiffel Tower is 1063 feet. PVC is a polymer of vinyl chloride. PVC is a polymer of vinyl chloride. Which of these fluid has the highest viscosity? The correct honey. Honey has highest frequency, highest viscosity. Viscosity is the thickness to a body. What are infrasonic sounds? Infrasonic sound frequency below than 20 Hz. Infrasonic sounds. Infrasonic sounds are those sounds which frequencies below than 20 Hz. Which of the following are greenhouse gases? The correct answer is carbon dioxide gas, methane, and nitrous oxide. All are the gases or the greenhouse gases. Ophiology is the study of which of the following animal? The correct answer is ophiology is the study of snakes. What is meant by calorimeter? Calorimeter means measurement of heat, and actually it determines the calories in a food or nutrition or any product. Which of the following are the cases of use of concave mirror? All of the above. Concave mirror are basically used in searchlight, shaving mirrors, and solar furnaces. What is the basic particle of light called photon? Basic particle of light is called photon. These is not a compound of carbon. Soda. Acetic acid, chloroform, and methane basically consist of carbon element, but caustic soda not consist of carbon element. Smallest continent by area of the following world. The correct answer is Australia is the smallest continent of the world by area, and its capital is write in comments. Cordoba is a city of Cordoba is a famous city of Spain. Sugar is present in DNA. Pentose is present in DNA. Mean of autophobia of being alone is known as autophobia. Invented the typewriter. The correct Scholl. Typewriter was invented by Scholz. Delhi is situated on the bank of Yamuna River. Delhi is situated on the bank of Yamuna River. Which gas is major contributor to greenhouse gas? Carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide gas CO2 is major contributor to greenhouse gas. Linseed is obtained from flax. Which of following is an endocrine gland? The correct answer is an endocrine gland. Name of longest muscle in the human body. Correct answer is sartorius muscle is the longest muscle in the human body. The seat of intelligence is situated in. The correct answer is the seat of intelligence is situated in cerebrum. The following pair represent the solar quantities. The correct answer is and speed. Mass and acceleration is also vector quantity. Temperature and torque, in which torque is vector quantity, and gravitational intensity and work basically is in a gravitation in a vector quantity. Then the only pair is distance and speed is scalar quantities. Scalar quantity are those quantities which does not depend upon the direction. When will the height of water in capillary tube be minimum? Temperature is 4 degrees centigrade. The height of water in capillary tube is minimum. The relationship between Kelvin scale and Celsius scale. Correct equation Tc plus 273.15 is equal to T Kelvin. Tc means temperature in Celsius plus 273.15 is called Kelvin temperature. Which of the following gives the power of lens? Correct answer. Reciprocal of its focal length is equal to power of lens. Power of lens is P, then focal length F, then the exact formula P is equal to 1 over F. Thank you very much.